Namaste, I am from India. Always I say Namaste. In this video, I am going to tell you what is printer. If you know, please skip the video. If you do not know, please watch full video. You will come to know different types of printer in the market. What is use of this printer? What is use of that printer? Lot of a thing I'm going to tell you. A lot of going thing I'm going to cover it. Please start. And if you come first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. When I make a video, you will get the notification. Let's start. See, I have a printer. You say this is the printer I have. What is printer? First of all, suppose when whatever thing I type in my laptop, suppose I type in Excel, I type in the Microsoft Word, whatever thing I type in the laptop, now I that is a soft copy. What is typing, and when I mail someone, when I WhatsApp someone, that is in the soft copy. When I print it on the paper, okay, that I carry to somewhere else, that is called the hard copy. For the hard copy, we print the matter. Is that clear to you? For that, we need a printer. You see, this is a printer. The paper, we print the matter, that is called the print out. And this is the printer. You will find three type printer in the market. Okay, normally nowadays, one is a laser printer, second is a dot matrix printer, and one is the inkjet printer. Inkjet printer is also called the textjet printer. I have a laser printer. I start with the dot matrix printer. Suppose you want to open a medical store and you want to open a retail store. For that you have to buy the dot matrix printer, because on that place when you're doing the retailing you need lot of a printout in a day. If you print out with this printer, this costs too much comparison to dot matrix printer. You must have seen in the bank, you will go to the bank and you ask the bank manager, ask the cashier, sir, I want to bank statement for this. He print something like this. He's seeing some paper on the paper. That printer print like this. This like that make a noise and it like this. That is called the dot matrix printer in the bank, and you will find the printer in the medical store. They normally keep the dot matrix printer. That is called that print on the dot basis. You will see the quality of printout is better than the laser printer. But for the cost cutting and you want to the cheap printout, you can go for the dot matrix printer. That printer is not for everyone. That is only for the black printer. Is that clear to you? First is dot matrix printer. Second, I talk about the inkjet printer. Inkjet printer is there like you want to print something better. Suppose you go to the photocopy machine shop, and you go to the photo creating shop, whatever they do, you say, sir, I want to have a photograph for my picture, and this they print the matter on the inkjet printer. Inkjet printer is better than the laser printer, but it is costlier than the dot matrix printer. If you want to print out the photo, you want to print out the home side, anything like that, you want to better quality, you can go for the inkjet printer. In inkjet printer you normally get color printer, normally you get the black and white printer. Two printer you will get in that. But in the laser printer, this is a costly than dot matrix, costly than inkjet printer. This is a costly printer, but the printout is very economic, because you know if you print out the 10 page 20 page in a day, and this printer is better than this one is. I taught you three printers in the market nowadays. Is one is the dot matrix printer, one is the inkjet printer. Inkjet printer also called the textjet printer, and one is a laser printer. This printer, what the mind me to say is the laser printer to work on the technology of the laser. It consumes more electricity. It will not work on the inverter as well as the dot matrix printer and the inkjet printer that will work on the inverter. But this printer does not work on the inverter. So then you want to print out more and more, go for the laser printer. One time payment is more, but after that time you print quality and print per page is cheaper. I think you must have know this thing, what is a printer. After watching this video, if you like this, please comment it and share it. A lot of people in this world do not know this thing. They can come to know about this. Again I say namaste to you.